This survey too started with our CEO, Mr. Ashmufareh, thanking all founders and affiliates for taking his latest survey. He said that he was proud of all of us who participated. We were following the direction of our CEO and the technology teams who designed this software. What Mr. Mufareh and his teams are doing is laying a foundation for his new company that will form the archives of his new company. Bill Must and I are truly honored that he asked for our help. We will soon find out what was the percentage of founders and affiliates who participated. Those who could have but didn't, we don't know where you stand as it relates to the new company. Mr. Mufareh was overwhelmed and deeply enlightened by our willingness to share our thoughts and our hearts with him in creating the journey together with him. This shows that we are plugged into the man and his technology teams in perfect alignment. That captures the underlying motives and desires of people, goes far beyond measuring simple satisfaction. It uncovers the why behind behaviors, providing a deep human-centric foundation for decision-making. The journey from insight to action is a strategic process of translating these psychological drivers into tangible initiatives. The resultant impact is profound, leading to stronger loyalty, more effective products, and sustainable growth because the actions taken are precisely aligned with what founders and affiliates truly value. He said our feedback is our fuel for the future. What did he mean? Here is the metaphorical explanation. Feedback is the fuel, powering growth and strategic momentum. The phrase, feedback provides the fuel, is a metaphor that describes feedback as the essential energy source that drives improvement, innovation, and growth within an organization. Let's break down the metaphor. Fuel. Fuel, like gasoline or electricity, is not the engine itself, but it is the critical ingredient that makes the engine run. Without fuel, even the most powerful engine is stationary and useless. The engine is Mr. Ashmufareh's new company. Feedback. Feedback is the fuel that is injected into the engine. It provides the combustible energy, the insights, the data, the perspectives that allows the engine to power up, move forward, and overcome inertia. What this means in practice. 1. Fuel for course correction. Without fuel, you continue on your current path based on assumptions. You might be heading in the wrong direction, wasting resources without knowing it. With fuel, our feedback tells Mr. Mufareh a feature is confusing. Founder and affiliates feedback reveals a process bottleneck. This new information allows Mr. Mufareh and his technology teams to correct their course efficiently before they go too far off track. 2. Fuel for innovation. Without fuel, you try to invent new products or services based on guesswork or internal ideas which may not resonate with the market. With fuel, feedback about founders and affiliates' desires, pain points, and unmet needs provides the raw material, the fuel for innovation. It answers the question, what should we build next? With real data. 3. Fuel for motivation and engagement. Without fuel, a team working without feedback can feel like it's running on empty. They don't know if their work is valued or having an impact, leading to disengagement. With fuel, constructive feedback, especially recognition and appreciation, is a powerful motivator. It provides the psychological energy that makes people feel valued and understood, driving them to perform at a higher level. 4. Fuel for strategic decisions. Without fuel, leaders make decisions based on gut feelings or outdated information, which is risky. With fuel, systematic feedback, like the survey of motives and desires we took part in, provides a reliable energy source for strategic planning. It turns decision-making from a guessing game into a data-driven process. Connecting fuel to insight to action. This concept is the perfect precursor to the insight to action. 1. Feedback is the raw fuel. It's the constant stream of data, comments, and reactions you collect through surveys. 2. Insight is the refined fuel. The raw fuel is processed and refined through analysis. You identify patterns, uncover underlying motives, and transform raw data into a deep, actionable understanding. This is the high-octane fuel. 3. Action is the engine igniting. The refined fuel, insight, is injected into the engine, the new company, causing it to ignite and create motion, new strategies, improved products, better experiences. 4. Impact is the distance traveled. The result of the combustion is forward progress. the positive impact and growth Mr. Mufareh's new company achieve. In short, without the fuel of feedback, the engine of his company has no energy to move from insight to action and no momentum to create meaningful impact. Part 1. What from insight to action means. This phrase describes a deliberate and strategic process. Insight. This is the aha moment, the deep, meaningful understanding gleaned from the survey data. It's not just a statistic, for example, 60% are satisfied. It's the discovery of a fundamental human driver. For example, customers desire a sense of control and personalized guidance when using our service. Or, employees are motivated by recognition for their unique contributions, not just financial rewards. To action. This is the critical bridge between understanding and implementation. It involves 1. Interpretation. Analyzing the insights to answer, so what does this mean for our organization? 2. Ideation. Brainstorming specific strategies, programs, or changes that directly address the uncovered motives. 3. Prioritization. Deciding which actions will have the greatest impact based on the insights and available resources. 4. Implementation. Executing the chosen plan across relevant departments. For example, marketing, product development, HR, customer service. In essence, from insight to action means closing the loop. It's the commitment to not just collect data, but to use it as a catalyst for meaningful change. Part 2. The resultant impact. When actions are directly informed by a deep understanding of motives and desires, the impact is significantly more powerful and sustainable than with superficial data. Area of impact examples of actions based on motives. Resultant impact. Product development insight. Users desire simplicity and time saving. Action. Redesign a complex software feature into a one-click solution. Impact. Higher adoption rates, reduced support costs, and a product that feels intuitive and valuable, leading to market leadership. Marketing and sales insight. Customers are motivated by a desire for community and belonging. Action. Launch a user ambassador program and create exclusive online forums instead of just running discount campaigns. Impact. Deeper emotional connection to the brand, stronger word-of-mouth marketing, and higher customer lifetime value. Customer experience insight. Customer frustration stems from a lack of empathy during support calls. Action. Revamp support training to focus on emotional intelligence and empowerment to solve problems, not just follow scripts. Impact. Dramatic increase in customer satisfaction, CSAT, and Net Promoter Score, NPS, turning negative experiences into loyal relationships. Founders Affiliates Engagement Insight. Founders and affiliates are driven by a desire for professional growth and purpose. Action. Implement personalized career development plans and connect individual roles to the company's mission in internal communications. Impact. Lower founders' complaints and increase higher productivity and a more innovative culture as founders and affiliates feel valued and understood. Strategic planning insight. The market desires sustainable and ethically produced goods. Action. Shift sourcing and manufacturing priorities to meet this desire and make it a core brand message. Impact. Attracts a new, values-driven customer segment, future-proofs the business, and enhances brand reputation. Mr. Mufareh used the words quantify with reference to Survey 1, meaning putting it in numbers. The founders and affiliates who is still with his company and want to stay in the loop. 2. Survey allowed us to qualify this community of founders and affiliates. The answers that were given gave Mr. Mufareh and his teams insight into what kind of communication struck home with the founders and affiliates, and their answers told Mr. Mufareh if that individual was ready to move forward to the next adventure, pursuing our big, bold, beautiful shared dream. You spoke, and we listened. Mr. Mufareh then made this statement. Here's what's coming. He said within the next few days, we will share the specific results and provide a detailed update on what you can expect to happen next. Our words, no speculation, no hype, just facts. That's sweet music to our ears. He said our input is guiding the steps we take from here, and we couldn't be more excited about what's coming. The journey ahead, powered by you. He thanked all of us for our loyalty, trust, and enthusiasm. Together, we're proving once more that this community is ready to grow, to innovate, and to move boldly into the future. ONEWS. 15 will give you the time and date of the upcoming live global update. Stay tuned. A survey of motives and desires is a strategic investment in human understanding. The journey from insight to action ensures this investment pays dividends. By courageously acting on these deep insights, the new company moves from simply reacting to events to proactively shaping their future. The ultimate impact is a fundamental alignment between what the new company of Mr. Ashmufareh offers and what founders and affiliates truly want, creating a virtuous cycle of loyalty, innovation, and success.